Welcome to BandLab Education tutorial. This one is focusing on the use of the Loop browser and specifically for people who are new to using the Loop browser. So first off, we're going to open the mix editor, and you normally come up with options like this for starting off on a new track. Look at the bottom right of that screen. It says Browse Loops with an infinity sign. Click there and you should see a screen like this. But you know, if you bypassed that and went straight into the mix editor, don't worry, because the three tabs across the bottom are your controls for opening the drawers on the right. And the middle one says Loops. So click on that to open it. The Loop browser, when you first open it up, shows you loops by type. So we've got saxophone, jazz, bop, ultra bounce, drill, Zulu porridge, trap, ambient, turbo trap, and so on. These are the featured packs, but if I clicked on saxophone, jazz, bop, for instance, it would give me all of the loops that fit that style, right? So that's me opening the Loop browser. I can go and have a look at more packs on the middle tab at the top where it says packs. I can search within packs as well, or I can just look at loops without bothering about style. So I'm looking for a particular percussion bit, and there we go. I'm just going to go back to packs. Let's have neo soul vocals, and the next thing I'm going to show you is how to preview the loops in the browser. So if I want to listen to, let's say this one.
Oh, baby, the love you want is here for you. Oh, baby, I have so much love to give you, baby.
There we go. Okay. I can preview it just by pressing on that play button, and I can stop the preview from playing as well by clicking on it again and scroll down and have a look at some different hooks as well. So here we've got Keep It Coming.
Go with the flow.
Okay, and I could just keep going and have a look at some more so that I'm making a selection. Now, when it comes to adding a loop to your project, if we go for, let's say, this one, preview.
I'll give you all my time.
That's quite nice. Let's click and drag and put it into the main project window. Now you see that green circle with a plus in it. If I drop my loop there, it's not going to add it, even though there's a green circle with a plus. You see? Because I have to drag and drop it into this area at the top where it tells me to. So click and drag, pop it on there, and it will appear. And I can close my loop drawer. There are some extra loop skills that we need to have a look at though, right? So if we have a look at the makeup of a loop, we can see that there are icons in each of the four corners. In the top left, you have got the loop name. You can rename it, but I suggest that you don't because it makes it hard to find it again, or the other loops that are part of the same set. At the bottom, in the left and the right, you have icons that look a bit like exit doors, and you can use those to click and drag into the loop to shorten them from either the beginning or the end. And in the top right hand corner, you have a circular arrow, and you click and drag that out away from the loop, out to the right, to make it longer. So let's have a walkthrough of those skills. So first off, I would just click on the words in order to highlight them and rename it, but we don't really want to do that. Secondly, we said that we could trim the loop from the beginning or the end. So I could take just this first bit, and actually I would need to zoom in a little in order to get into more detail with trimming that there. And I can just take that word, or I could have a bit more.
I'll give you all my time.
Okay, and then the top right hand corner, I could click and drag that out so that repeats instantly. Okay, that's it. So from there, really, it's over to you. Your turn. Let's see how you can develop your loop skills.